Now, this is a problem. This is definitely a problem. We have definitely a problem here. As you can see, this is the what you call the equalizer on the steam boiler. I guess years ago, for some reason, they made it so long under the ground, which is considered a return. And this is rotted out due to it being under concrete after so many years, I guess. But this is a problem. We might have to open up this floor all the way as far as we can get. And that pipe has to be removed. And ooh, we'll get back to you guys later.